Here I've tried Kojic acid constantly over 3 weeks now. I'd like to share with you guys how to use Kojic acid the right way to have effective result. Before we begin this video, I would like to share with you guys how my skin look like over 4 weeks, like let's say 3 weeks is just 4 weeks, and I can see Kojic acid is working. If you have used this soap before or you haven't used this soap before, I want you to watch this video. And Kojic acid is a good soap for hyperpigmentation and dark spot, acne and sunburn. And this is how the soap look like after opening it. It look like here. The soap is already open, and make sure you have the right soap and don't get the fake one. Before starting with this process, you have to wet your soap and start applying on your face, and by doing the circulation mode. And like you can see that what I'm doing in this video, this video was the first week when I started this video. Keep circulating this. Leave your face a little bit dry. What you have to do, you have to make sure to use hydrating lotion after your use of Kojic acid, and also during the day you have to use sunscreen. And this is the second step I wanted to say. If you want to have effective result, you need to leave Kojic acid as a mask. This is another technique you can get the result. Leave it for a mask for few minutes and rinse it off. That's what was. I think this is the third week using Kojic acid. I just wanted to show you my pigmentation is fading, and both sides. Usually it's like a sunburn. I used to have a bad sunburn on my face, but I can see it's fading, and Kojic acid is really working. Even the pimple started on my face was almost gone, and Kojic acid is really a miracle soap. If you are suffering from hyperpigmentation or you have tried different products and it doesn't work for you, I will suggest you to try this Kojic acid and maybe be consistent by using it. You see a change. This is the fourth week of my experimentation. Like you see how my face is going. I just rinse my face here. My face is really doing well, and my sunburn is fading. My hyperpigmentation is as well fading, and also my skin is glowing more than before. My skin is glowing more than before. The light on this bathroom is not giving us a justice. Look at my face. This is without filter here. I didn't put a filter here. Like, I wanted to show you guys exactly how my face look like. Like you can see, everything is fading. The hyperpigmentation is fading. The pimple is going, and yeah, this is how my face look like. And yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and to subscribe this video.